Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. 10 more minutes. Thunderchief building action. Brought to you in prime time. Just get away from that Oprah channel for a minute. Come watch some Thunderchief building action. We got some action going on. I can't believe you guys sat here and watched me do this. See that hole right there? It's in the wrong spot. I can't put that rudder post there. I am glad I checked this before I went much farther. Oh, it's almost disastrous. But that would have been way back there. That ain't good. So, we're going to have to move it. And we need to come forward. Which means new bulkhead. Alright? Now, I made that easy. I took this other bulkhead, this bigger one that goes back here, and just kind of stuck it up there. And looked, and seen what was bigger. Is about the same shape, just 1.5 inches too short. A little bit on the sides. So I kind of just took this one, raised it up 1.5 inches on this foam, See? And made it a little wider on the sides, stuck it in there. And I need to come just a little bit wider, so on my piece of wood I marked. Just cut it right out. Bam! There it is. So this is my new one. And since I'm coming way forward, I can get to these bolts here from the inside of the jet. So I won't need to I'll build that box. See, I already have holes in the top of my rudder, I don't think, but I'm going to go with this. So I can go inside here and tighten these bolts up. Which worked out to be a good thing, but you guys sat there and watched me do it. Someone said, "Hey Bob, you ever check that hole?" No, it was just, I don't know what I was thinking. I thought that would be fine, mounted on that bulkhead, but no, this is an easy patch right here, people. I'm just going to cut me a whole circle of fiberglass, glue it to a bigger piece of fiberglass, bam, stick it right in the bottom. Old Lauren taught me that trick, patching engine cowls. If you have another engine and you're swapping out and you're playing and the holes are in different places, he showed me where to do that where it hardly takes any filler. And patch them holes. But that's what I got going there. Alright. And I got me a new bulkhead made. So all I got to do is install it. They're ready to roll. They're ready to roll. I got these 3 marked. I still got a bunch of cutting to do though. Okay. Hey everybody. John got all them pictures posted up on our website. b1modelproject.com. b1modelprojects.com. There we go. But he's got all them pictures posted up that he came down and took over the weekend. So you want to go down and check them out. Now this fix here, this was easy. Okay, this bulkhead, I gotta come up. I have to come up and go around that socket right here. Bam. So I just put that bulkhead where I needed to go, cut my piece to where it sat right there, then moved it up where it needed to go, and then just cut that notch out of it. Real easy. All of that while it was sitting on top of this. So, all I'd have to do, go to the bottom of this, and I'm going to have to tongue and groove this board now, so I still need to mark where that board was. I think I'm going to lower that board 1/4 inch. Oh, what are you guys looking over there for? Okay. Trace this board. This board went on top of it. Alright. Bam. Now this board goes right there. Couple clamps hold that dude there. Yeah. Bam. Let's see that. That'll make it easy, man. Okay. Is that there? Then this one goes right on top of it. This goes all the way up to this lip now. That bulkhead will come all the way up to the top of this lip. I'm going to redraw the center. Of all this. I think I might even, I could add one of them, a brace across there that's removable if I need to be. So I'm going to leave this kind of like that. You know. And 5 3/4. Bam. Just saying. There's the new bulkhead. There you go, watching over there. That's the new bulkhead. That ought to work, huh? Come out about as fat as we can.